So there you go, people. We already opened up, and that's the reason why I wanted to open this floorboard, because I don't have any access right there, and that's much gross. It's a lot more gross to go through that, and I'm not gonna fit in there. It's hard to fit through the very small access right there for the crawl space, so you have to access it from the top, and that's what we got. We're gonna have to replace the pipe. They just recently replaced it, I noticed. I don't know why they messed it up so bad like that, but I don't like the way they did it. What do we do? You know, that's how they did the job. So we're gonna have to just replace that. I'm thinking about replacing it with a copper pipe, so we don't have much problems in the future. We cannot replace the whole system because we don't have the money right now. I only have enough materials for one copper pipe, which I'm looking for it right now. I'm gonna show you guys later. There you go. That's the copper pipe we're gonna use. All right, so I'm gonna replace that right now. We'll see. Hopefully, by God's grace, we can get it done tonight. Everything's fixed, because I think the shark bite failed because of the. I think this is mainly because of the freezing. The water got frozen and the shark bite failed. I don't know. We gotta fix it because it's wasting a lot of water. Actually, we had to reduce the water pressure. We had to keep it running like this for a couple of days because we needed the water. But what we did is that, we had a very low water pressure, and then we had to sorry, I'm lost for words because I just noticed that there's a concrete right there, and there's two joists side by side. So it tells me that they just added this area of the bathroom right here. So that gives me a lot more hope, by God's grace, because that tells me that, they separated the bathroom from the main house. So that makes me happy so much, because it makes me a lot happier, because it tells me that, if ever we do the renovation in the future, I don't have to mess with the original foundation right there, which is showing in the concrete. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's concrete at the bottom right there. Right there. So now we're gonna get to this one. I don't know if I can show you the process of replacing this, but I'm gonna show you the finished product later. So this is home ownership. The house was built in 1900s. It's 100 years old. Over 100 years old now. So still, we cannot complain about this. We should not complain about this, because we used to not have a house. We used to live in an RV, and by God's grace, God gave us this house, and that alone should be something that we celebrate. It's something that we should celebrate. So just to get to this, and then get it done. See you guys later. Bye bye. So there you go, guys. So this is a finished product right there. Alright, so I had to cut the old one, because if I just push it out, I don't think it's a good habit to pop out the old pipe and replace it. I don't think it's a good habit. So I just decided to cut it out. And it saves more time. It's faster, because it's kind of hard to push it out once it's already in. And once it's already used, it's hard to trust the integrity, the durability of the teeth of the shark bite inside, because there's teeth right there inside. So for me, it's kind of hard to trust the durability of the teeth inside the shark bite. So I decided to just replace it with two new ones and another pipe, and replace it with a new copper pipe. And I don't think there's leaks. I don't see any leak right there. And I'm going to show you that the water is running. We cannot turn the water right there, because you know what? Let us turn it. You know what? I don't want to turn it right there. just to show you guys that there's water supply. So that's it, there's water supply. We got water supply. I'm gonna turn the cold. There's water supply. I haven't washed the dishes yet, so I'm kind of embarrassed to show you guys the condition of the sink because I got busy with this. So there you go. I can't turn it on because it's gonna wet my vanity. I don't want to get ruined because that wood, once it's wet, it's done. Alright. See, the water is running. The water is on. And there's no more leaks right there. Thank God. We're able to solve the problem. And then that's it. See you guys next time. We're gonna put it back on. We're gonna put the board back on top of the joist, cover it up, and hopefully insulate things up, make it a lot better, and then we go from there. See you guys later. Bye bye.